everyone, welcome to my home. We are in Sigoye in the French Alps. My house is just below, and this is a small hike over there. We have such a perfect day, and I wanted to talk to you about the next project from Airman today. And thank you to every one of you backers that already backed the M Sofa from our website. This is absolutely amazing, and I'm so grateful for it. With the Z-Lounger last year, we really saw something different that existed on the market. For the first time, we shown the world together that portability, durability, comfort, and design could coexist together. But the Z-Lounger is not something you can really use as a permanent furnishing from home. It is very nice on the poolside or on a boat. It's a perfect seat to take away on the beach or any kind of road trip, and you can use it all year long at home. But the very ergonomics is not something that will replace your sofa at home. I really wanted to make a system that is a hybrid platform, a hybrid ecosystem that can adapt to everything that you want to do, every desire that you have, something that can enable freedom, not a piece of furniture that's so heavy and bulky and hard to deal with that it anchors you, it constrains you, it forces you to be on a certain place, and you cannot choose exactly where you want to be, when you want to be. And I don't think we have lives today that really fit that model anymore. Like we live quite stressful lives. We have so much to do, and we always looking for something to alleviate that cortisol intake that we're also addicted to have. And when we have the luxury of having time, we really truly want to do it freely. And what happens when our furniture doesn't let you do that? So before in the outdoor, like a really big designer piece, really broad sofa, very low, beautiful silhouette and beautiful design. I really loved it. The only thing is I was never sitting properly. It was always either on the edge because I had to speak to someone, or I was ending up like this, which is not very good, right? But not only the ergonomics, but in terms of maintenance, you leave it 2 years outside and your $3,000 outdoor sofa is gone. For me, that's absolutely unacceptable. It's very expensive for what it is. And even if you buy a rattan furniture, like the weaved PVC ones with very simple seats, so those ones in like 1 or 2 seasons, they went from dark to gray. You have spiders and insects everywhere. They're full of mud. It's quite a nightmare. It's quite expensive for what it is. So do you want to spend so much to have so little comfort sometimes because the angles are so sharp, you bump your knees, or it's too low, it's not ergonomic, so you don't sit well, it just look good, or it's just a temporary thing and it doesn't last so long. So that's the primary reason why I drew the M Sofa. This is saving me a lot of cost per year. This is saving me a lot of worries, a lot of maintenance. I don't want to spend my time maintaining my outdoor furniture. It should be made for the outdoor. And there is another big advantage of this piece. It's exactly like the Z-Lounger. Every time you go on a camping, on a road trip, on any adventure, or every time you go to a friend's party or whatever, and you need extra sitting, you can just take it from home and have like the best piece of transportable furniture there is. Difficult to think that you just have your own sofa on this mountain peak, right? So it makes it even more special. But the hidden truth of it is I don't buy a camping gear. I don't buy a camping chair. I can just bring the one that I use at home all year long as well. So for example, in my garden, I really, really love to take my coffee before sunrise in the morning. And I just don't want to sit on my terrace because it is on the shadow of a really big tree that I have. So I like to sit just further on in my garden and be straight up the sunshine, and I just have to lift up my sofa in 2 seconds and I can just be there. If I have friends that come over for a BBQ or something like this, it just takes me 5 minutes to inflate one or two more sofas and everyone is decently seated, has a property sitting, is happy, and is in the best condition for a good day together between friends. Thank you very much. Have a good day.